Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel Glee Travelers. This is me Varsha and we are right now in Leh. So our first stop is Khardula. We all are decked up. This is our van and that's the another van. We are a group of 20 girls and let's see how the day goes, and we are super excited, little afraid. Few people are not so well but rest of us are doing well. So let's start the journey. That's Leh Palace. Our journey has started and the distance we need to cover is around 40 kilometers to reach Khardungla Pass. Enjoy the beautiful journey, guys. Apparently, Leh to Khardula Pass is a beautiful drive. We are on the way to gateway of some of the most enchanting and unexplored landscapes. This road was constructed in the year 1976 and was accessible to public motor vehicles in the year 1988. कल हम लोग 11,000 फीट पे थे और ऑलरेडी 2-3 लोगों की तबीयत खराब थी और आज हम 17,000 फीट जा रहे हैं, दैट टू दिस वाइंडिंग रोड्स. So if you've not taken good rest, I guess the other mantra is that please drink lots of water. This will help. And the other important thing you can do is you can keep camphor with you and you keep on inhaling as you proceed higher. And if you have motion sickness, then I would like to say you all the best, because this is definitely going to make you sick. And time for a halt. We are gonna click some beautiful pictures right now. हम लोगों ने 2 हॉल्ट लिए पर ऑलमोस्ट 2 hours में we reached Khardungla Pass. Freaking cold right here. Half of the people are still inside the van. They are still not getting out. Inside we didn't knew that outside it's gonna be so cold. It feels really good to come to this point. I had never ever thought of that I'll come at 17,000 plus height. It is one of the kind of checklist that's been ticked right now. And I'm feeling super happy. I can't show much excitement because I need to maintain my energy right here. I'm just soaking in. So we are at a height of 17,582 feet, guys. There is a cafe at the Khardula Pass, there is a souvenir shop, and there is a doctor also available, a small clinic in case of any medical emergency, because many people feel breathless once they arrive in here. Jyoti actually did not feel good and she consulted the doctor also at Khardula Pass. I never thought or imagined that at such a beautiful place and such a great height I'm gonna see a traffic jam. We're just gonna take a 10 to 15 minutes break over here and then we're gonna go ahead. The next stop is Nubra Valley. I'm not feeling uneasy or anything right now because I did not exert much. I'm taking very small steps. Plus I actually had lots of water. And one more thing, the toilets are not good at all while you are driving from Leh to Khardula or Nubra. So that thing you must keep it in mind, that you have to just find a place to empty your stomach. It was just few weeks back I was dying to travel and I don't know how it happened. It just happened, everything suddenly. So I just say whatever you want to do, you just keep taking small steps towards that, and I'm sure things are gonna turn towards your ways. I know not every time you get what you want, but you should not stop making effort. That's what is gonna move the mountains. 2 to 3 hours drive from here, Nubra. On the way, I think we are gonna also see some desert area and do some ATV riding. Let's get going because we can't wait any longer here. So we took our next halt at North Pulu. This is the checkpoint which connects Leh with Nubra. And that is our group. That's our organizer, Renuka. And we couldn't resist but to take pictures here. But this is a super chilled water, completely ice water. I have with me Kylie. And that's Kanchan. और फिर मैंने ये करने की सोची. Disclaimer guys, this stunt is performed under expert supervision, so please don't try this thing at home. Cheers to all of us! In 2 hours we took the lunch break and we were very near to Nubra Undar Valley. This is another bunch of daredevil girls from our group. Actually बहुत लोगों को motion sickness का problem हो रहा था because of this 3-4 people were vomiting including me, and that's why few of them decided to have fresh air on top of the van. Hey, this looks really interesting. I also want to do this. So we have arrived at Hundar in Nubra Valley, and this place is famous for ATV rides in sand dunes. And who can forget Bhag Milkha Bhag, famous training spot featuring Farhan, same place. We couldn't go for ATV riding, but we did see one on the road, and this was officially photo shoot of the day. While doing all the photo shoot and all the masti, two small incident happened, two small injuries happened to two of our teammates. So guys, be a little more careful because this is a remote place, and if you get hurt, it will be a little difficult to find a help. Beautiful but remote, Hundar village sits like an oasis in the middle of cold desert. And our next stop was the camel ride at Hundar Valley again. Four of us did not go for camel ride, but we enjoyed sitting here beside the lake. But our team members did enjoy camel ride. So our last stop is Elysium Camp, where we are staying, and this place is just 10 minutes drive from the camel ride point. This is beautiful accommodation, beautiful tents, awesome food, just homemade food. That's what we needed for the night. And this is how we unwinded the night at Nubra Valley. We were super tired, but nonetheless, a dance is always going to recharge you. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, मैं अपने रूम के बाहर, अपने टेंट के बाहर बैठी हूँ और आई जस्ट शो यू द व्यू आई हैव. Do you see this? That's the view I have just outside my tent. Leh is damn beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है Leh. There is a lot to see here. You will never feel disappointed after all the medical issues. Like so many people were vomiting and they have headaches and all. But when we reached here, when we arrived here, and after our dinner, we were just so happy. Like we were so relaxed and it didn't take much time to unwind. So mountains का अपना एक तरीका है आपको हील करने का. वो आप यहाँ पे आएंगे तो ही आपको समझ में आएगा. और टफ है बट बहुत लोग आते हैं. So you can plan and you can do little research. You can just right now you can even message me. I will definitely help you plan your itinerary in case you need any help. ऑल सेड एंड डन. दूसरा दिन हमारा ख़त्म हो चुका है और निकलना है और चलना है पेंगोंग के लिए. और हमारा नाइट स्टे पेंगोंग लेक के पास ही है. देखते हैं कि आज का दिन कैसे जाता है और रात कैसे बीतती है। रात के लिए हमने बहुत सारे प्लान्स किए हैं बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली पैंगोंग लेक इज़ वेरी स्पेशल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस फॉर मेनी रीजंस। वो आपको नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में पता चलेगा। इफ़ यू कनेक्ट विद मी एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ट्रैवल एनी हाउ, but it gives me a very big boost if you guys support me. But please go share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next vlog at Pangong. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that.